So this one that we're using for grating, is there a specific kind of coconut that's best?
No,
for dry,
not this is not the best type.
Oh.
But the best type upon 1951. Got the original coconut. But this, then kill them out and engraft them, you know. But still they're not dead, you know. But still them have good coconut, you know, to grate, you know. These white coconut, you know. These, that's why I'm gonna put the next one in the aisle. Good. Cause next one, I'm gonna make the aisle red, you know.
Oh, okay.
Got that reddish look, the one where I throw away.
Yeah.
So I make coconut oil all the while, so I'm supposed to know what is coconut oil. Yeah, man. Keep on going on. Show the people them how the thing said. Just like when you see Rasta go on and work on him grater, you know. Rasta grater 24/7, you know, coconut juice, you know. To make porridge, ital, carrot, banana, every kind of shop. Also plum juice, you know. So don't make the plum juice as yet, so it's a new one that I come up. 2 new things left to come up. Plum juice and caramel porridge.
And drops.
And drops. Oil. Drops, all kind of things, so we don't know how far we are going to go, how far we are going there. To pull all these stuff, you know.
I heard that pigs like the coconut trash.
Yeah, man.
They always feed them to the pigs around
here. Everybody feed them coconut. They pig like coconut trash. When you juice it out, you know, and mix it up in a feed and give them, man. Then go crazy, you know.
Well, better give them the coconut trash so they don't eat your cocoa.
Need my fucking cocoa. What I have in my farm. People that think like maybe I don't need them. I don't need my food. That's what I plant so many food. You don't go a one man if you make video. See a big bunch of banana there, it started to ripe. That one, you know, the next one start to ripe, you know. See that?
Yeah.
See that we look underneath? You see a ripe banana, them they started to turn. Different type of banana from that one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We have more different type of banana than every time you have banana, you know, every time people come here have a little banana, so at the best time this year come here now for me. Because all of them then stay ripe up and people can see them video and so good when you come.
Yeah, good time.
Good time when you come. We can make some video to show people them say, oh, see your Rasta yard look there. Ripe banana, big bunch of planting. That's what you have to eat. And people who want natural food, just come right here. It is here abundant. It is here right here, the food what people want. It is there right here as abundant. No fertility, nothing. You can eat all 20 seed of banana for the day. You can eat 10 seed of plant for the day. You don't must cook. If you're a ital, you just eat pure fucking right banana. If you're a ital, man, eat pure right banana for your lunch, your dinner, your morning, your break where you want. As long as you come when the right time. But it's not every day that catching day, you know.
Not every day.
Sometimes you don't catch nothing, you know. So you will maybe come and say, hey, you have fruit. You ain't not prepare fruit for you.
You know, every time I've come here though, there's always something that you're harvesting. So.
Something. Whole heap. Now the farmer come in, whole heap of Rastafari food, brother. All done.
Wow,
all
that's
set.
a pile.
Fuck, man.
That was a bit of work.
Whole heap of work, man. It pull straight out of me, man. I go squeeze it now, you know, man.
Yeah. So people, that's how you stay fit. If you want to look like Mokko when you're his age, grate your own coconut oil. Did you just snuff it out? He's gone.
Whip them, boy.
Rent out the ones that got it, yeah?
Squeeze it.
Ratty, move out of the video now, man. Hey! Go away with it now, man.
Ratty, go on.
Go on with this up, man.
So what do we do now?
Squeeze it. And put it down. Yeah, water upon it first. Then squeeze it. Then put it up in that pot there. Put it in that pot there, you know?
So you clean your grater at the same time.
Yeah, man. Wash out my grater, man.
Yeah, your grater, how'd it work?
It's very good, man.
All right,
Fucking
nice
good,
and
man.
sharp and fresh.
Mm-hmm.
Made out of zinc.
Yeah.
Zinc
People
fence.
can see it. What I'm doing now. Rasta grater, you know, the new grater. You already know.
So how much water to how much coconut goes in it? You just do it
Just
till it
keep
looks
on.
right.
And just keep on throwing water.
So you just squeeze it with by hand.
Yeah, man.
Don't need any special device.
No electric handmade.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And for the complainers out there,
Out
we
there.
wash our hands, of
Yeah.
course.
Yes, me have to wash my hands to do all these things.
There's
So.
always some whiner out there being like, he didn't show him washing his hands.
Yeah.
Well, it's a video.
It's a video, you know.
This is, and this coconut milk you're making too, you can use this in your porridge, right?
Yes, man.
So this is a real
Yeah,
nice way.
yeah.
If you have the
Yeah.
time, do it this way.
If you have the time, you do your coconut this way.
Yeah.
If you don't have the time, you use the powder.
Yeah.
So when I don't have the time, I use the powder, because I know it's the same coconut. Exactly. That's what you don't see on the bag. So that's what comes out of it. Because Rasta always got coconut a shape, you know.
So it's a pretty quick squeeze. It didn't take you long to do that. You're gonna use that for something else. We're not gonna give it to a hog.
Give fowl.
No.
Give the fowl them it, you know. Dogs and fowl, eat it. All this straight and make we fuck it up, man.
Yeah, man.
That's it.
That's nice and fast.
Yeah, man, what do you think? Get clean and crisp. I'll fuck we going nice strainer, you know?
Brown part.
Yeah, this is the brown part.
The brown part's the back.
Yeah, see there? The black part.
Yeah. So it's no worries because you're straining it anyway.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why you just grind up the whole thing. No worries.
I can't come through this strainer no more.
Nope. No.
No.
That's something different. All right. Good. All right.
This out of the market.
Let's see which dogs are around. We got Little Biglet. We got Love It. There's the one I always forget the name. There's Rat.
Well, look something if you want it. Look, I'm going to look bad side.
Even Biglet likes it, but Biglet, fat piglet, likes everything. So the fire never goes out. There's always enough burning coals to keep it going. He's never had to relight it the whole time. It's just still warm when you hold your hand over it. Like, how does it always just stay going without ever burning out?
Oh,
It's
it burn with ashes, you know. So it cold and always stay under this, like them, yeah?
yeah.
See me?
So when you cover it with like this sheet metal here, the zinc.
That up here go rain.
Oh, okay.
This man Mr. Fire in there. This man Mr. Fire in there. I'm gonna say, Alola, that's fire. I'm gonna say, Alola, and I'm Jabe. You see, I'm gonna come on fire.
What do you got there, Rat?
Yeah.
What do you have?
One second, sugar.
And sugar, okay. Nice little snack.
I see in the morning, I just go skim it. And dash you that big pile of water where you see in there. And take away the oil.
So the oil will all come up to the top.
You know. Ting. Yeah, it's gonna come on the top, man.
So how long do you have to leave it on the fire for?
What, a morning?
Till morning?
No, me I go leave it till the morning.
Oh.
And then me just skip and the oil with it on the top and put it on the fire. It now take 2 hours, you know.
So we just leave this without even boiling yet.
Yeah.
Alright.
So that's why me I go make the people know when me I deal with.
Alright. So we'll just leave it inside the new kitchen.
Yeah.
Brand new kitchen.
Come on.
We'll check back on you later.